Hi, we are making a landscape today. These are the brushes we'll be using for the landscape. This is a flat brush. I am wetting the paper, the top part of the paper. I have done the sketch already and I am wetting the top part. Okay, now this is cobalt blue. I am using cobalt blue and this is crimson. Just take crimson, and this is yellow ochre and little bit of purple added to crimson and to yellow ochre. This is yellow ochre again. Now this yellow ochre with crimson, a separate this thing, and I put little cobalt blue in this one. Now I'm putting the blue which I made before. This is cobalt blue on top. The yellow ochre by mistake it was there. So now crimson. Why we are putting crimson in between is because the green and the blue and the yellow make it green. If you put in between a red color, then it doesn't become green. Okay, so now I'll be putting yellow ochre mixed with, this is the mixture I made. I already told you what I did, and this here I'll be putting. And this I put the green here, and this is the distant landscape. Just on wet it is done. This is blue color, cobalt blue again. And I mix the crimson purple in it. And now I'm wetting the lower side of the painting because it is the water is there in the painting. So again I am using the blue colors. So now this is blue. This landscape has some blues in it. The water is there and some growth is there in the water. So that's why these white areas are left untouched, but it is bleeding. The water is bleeding inside. The reason is because I have put water. I have spread water on the paper, and I am using Archie's paper. It's a block. The size is A4. The paper size is A4. This is a bit of crimson and yellow ochre. And I'm putting it in the lower portion of the painting to make it darker and frame the painting. Now this is blue again, and just to give little shades on the painting. Now these are the green. As I told you, the landscape has some greens in between. It's not a very deep water, it is shallow water. So some growths are there. So the parts which are empty is mainly green. And this is yellow gompa yellow and crimson. I mixed it. So to make it more brighter, I put these colors. Now this distance line, I want to put some darks here with the same colors. I just added more blue to it to make it more darker. Now I'm making some grass in the foreground with those same colors, the greens I made, and this is the background where I'm making with the light colors some distant trees. This to show the depth of the painting. These are some of the trees I made in the background. Crimson and yellow ochre I have taken, mixed it with the blue, cobalt blue, just to give a darker color, and a little bit of colors. This it shows the depth. Some final touches. Just some highlights and final touches to the painting. Now making some highlights and other thing with the dark color. So these are the final touches to the painting, and as you can see, The painting is almost now complete. Hope you enjoyed this painting. For more videos, please write in the comment. If you like this kind of video, I can make more, and if it is difficult, then I can make simpler videos for the beginners. This one is not very difficult to make. The colors I used are from these are watercolor, transparent watercolors. You can use any color, but I would advise that use professional grade colors and use a good paper. These are some of the highlights I am giving to the backgrounds now. It is just almost finished. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos. This is my first video, and this is my final painting. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.